Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atla Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that the Bitcoin during this weekend went under its previous bull market's all-time high, which was, under 19,800-ish or something like that. We visited levels like 17,000 something. So let's talk about it. The second topic is all about that Blackrock CIO is saying that Bitcoin and crypto are durable assets. And the third news is all about that Kevin O'Leary, Mr. Wonderful, is saying he's not selling any crypto despite of the downturn. Guys, all this in today's video. And if you would like to stay up to date in these difficult times as well, then simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because every single weekday I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. Also hit the like button if you like this kind of content, and check out the links under this video, many useful ones. For instance, a free course, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. And now, when we look at the market, we can see that Bitcoin is still right now under 20,000, 19,967, but it's up like almost 9% because we have seen levels much lower. Also with Ethereum up 12%, but now at $1,073. When we're looking at the top gainers, look at this. Synthetics went up 82% in the last 24 hours, Maker 20%, Basic Attention Token 18%. And when we're looking at the losers, no losers at all, because now we have this kind of relief after this huge dump. And when we're looking at the fear and greed level, we are at 9, but yesterday, extreme fear at 6. This is actually very, very rare, to be honest with you. And okay. Now let's move on to the Bitcoin price and also what happened during the weekend. So let's talk about that. So something in Bitcoin, what we haven't seen before, and this is definitely that we have visited low prices, which are lower than the previous bull markets all-time high, which was around 19,600-ish, 800-ish, something like that. And now, during the weekend, look at this. On the 18th of June, this wick went all the way down to 17,567 US dollar, which is something which we have never seen before. And obviously, many people say now that we haven't seen the worst yet. We can go further more down. And this is actually very, very interesting. When we're looking at this article, here you can see that the dip was just what I just mentioned. And a couple of people believe that 16,000 is a still popular target. This is itself only equating to 76% drawdown from Bitcoin's November, all-time high last year. And also, they estimate many people that currently run as low as can go down to 11,000, which is 84.5%. And well, what if even lower? So you don't know the bottom. This was a very important thing because so far everybody, not everybody, but like the most people believe that this is very important, not going previous bull markets all-time high, under it. And well, it just happened. So many things haven't happened. We have these typical cycles, this 4-year cycle. Because of halving has to happen something like this and that. Maybe that will change in the future as well. So you never know. Things are changing. The participants in this whole game changing. There are more and more professionals, institutional investors. And guess what? Because the regulations are coming, it could be out in a couple of years when everything starts to be clear, more and more money can inflow into crypto. And because of this, the whole thing can actually change. And we are living in a very, very excited times. Bitcoin, its fundamentals hasn't really changed. Everything is the same. It's still working. It's a decentralized digital currency, which is working so far so good. Only thing is that now is a selling pressure, but it has many things to do with the present situation in the world, with the world's economy, what we are witnessing right now, and also, in my opinion, that many people would like to get into the game. And accumulate more Bitcoin. And because of this, they do everything what they can to push down the prices further. So many people lose faith and they can get in. But this is just my personal opinion. So I think this was exciting, what we have seen already. And I think we can even go lower. So please be prepared for this. It doesn't mean that in long term, this is a bad thing. But now, the price volatility in crypto is massive. It was, it is. So you have to live with it. Okay. The second thing I would like to talk about is about the Blackrock, because the Blackrock's CIO is saying that Bitcoin and crypto are durable assets, actually. So when we're talking about BlackRock, BlackRock is the world's largest asset manager with about 10 trillion US dollar asset under management. And now the chief investment officer of global fixed income at BlackRock is saying that Bitcoin and crypto are durable assets. In his words, I think there's a healthy recalibration going on. He said, nothing that if you look 2 or 3 years hence, they will be higher than today. And Rick, this is the guy's name. And also he added that it's not terribly dissimilar from the internet bubble. So if you go back to 99 and 2000, was there the internet a bad idea? No, it wasn't a bad idea, but you created so much excess around it and you just have to de-gear the dynamic. And I think we are seeing that today. He noted markets go down 5 times faster than they go up. That's why you were seeing this incredible unwind. So yes, we have to understand that basically crypto is here since 2009. It's still here. Bitcoin is actually working. More and more people invest in cryptocurrencies. Everything actually around this industry is developing and growing. And we're witnessing right now, difficulties on the global market when it comes to stock, you name it. It's difficult times. You have the war situation, everything. And this is just like any other asset, an investment. And if you just think about it, obviously, it's extremely small compared to many big ones. Therefore, its volatility, it's much higher. And you have to live with it. Maybe 10 years later, we see something totally different. But right now, this is the case. But it's still, we're living in a digital world, and Bitcoin, it's the currency of the internet kind of thing. So it makes sense to have it around because the old-fashioned things are not that much working in the digital age we are living in. Yes, the CBDCs are coming, but they are not here yet, and that's a totally different topic, obviously, than Bitcoin. Okay, and the third thing I would like to say is we have Kevin O'Leary, and he also is saying that he won't sell any crypto despite the downturn. So many experts, financial, investors, advisors, they saying that they keep their crypto even in difficult times. So if you're now Kevin O'Leary, Mr. Wonderful, saying that he won't sell any crypto despite the downturn. He's saying, I'm not selling anything. Long term, you just have to stomach it. You have to understand you will get volatility and some projects aren't going to work. This is in the game, but this is how crypto works because it's like it's really, in the infant age, basically. So O'Leary said that his largest holding right now is Ethereum and Bitcoin. However, he added, I also have a big position in USDC, a big position in FTX as an equity. He additionally mentioned Polygon and also Solana. So he diversified in a couple of big caps his portfolio. We don't know what else he's holding, but definitely the majority is in Ethereum and also in Bitcoin. And right now in these times, he is just basically holding. And Mr. Wonderful has saying that trillions of dollars will flood into crypto when we get policy and regulatory regulator regulates. So also what I just said before, when the regulations will be clear, a lot of money can inflow into Bitcoin and in many cryptocurrencies, and that can bring. It's not financial advice, nothing like this. This is a theory for the future, but that can bring theoretically a lot of gains for people who are entering into these early levels we are right now. But do your own homework before you invest in anything, because it's your responsibility. This is very important. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single weekday I bring you the freshest. So I'm back tomorrow with the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. Hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. See you tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye-bye.